Let's see how we can use the code and UNICODE functions in Google Sheets. We have the code and UNICODE functions Google Sheet open, and it has the data template we require. In cell A2 we have the text, which is this _is _a code. In column C, we have the extracted characters, that is, we have one character extracted in each cell. From C2 to C15 range. So, we have this _is _a code. In column E, we want the code. That is, the number code for each of the characters extracted in column C. In column F, we want the UNICODE for each of the characters we have extracted in column C. To get the code, we will first head to the E2 cell, and we will use the code function, which gives the numerical UNICODE map value of the character. It takes string as an argument. An example is shown. For our case, we will write equal to code, string, is given in the C2 cell, so we will write C2. Let's close the bracket for the code function. Let's drag the formula down from the E2 cell to E15 cell. We get the numerical UNICODE map value for each of the extracted characters. Now to get the UNICODE, we will head to the F2 cell, and we will use the UNICODE function, which returns the UNICODE number of a character. It takes text as an argument. An example is shown. For our case, we will write equal to UNICODE, text is given in the C2 cell, so we will write C2. Let's close the bracket for the UNICODE function. Let's autofill the data. We get the UNICODE number for each of the characters extracted in column C. We see that we get the same values in column E as we get in column F. With this, we have successfully learned how to use the code and the UNICODE functions in Google Sheets. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe if this video was useful.